Have you ever encountered those small, round, beige wonders in a savory stew or blended into creamy hummus? While chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, might appear unassuming at first glance, could there be a world of nutritional secrets nestled within? Let's unwrap the layers of this ancient legume, examining its remarkable nutritional credentials, potential health benefits, occasional pitfalls, and tossing in some delightful chickpea chatter along the way. Packed with nutritional goodness. Beyond their pleasant, nutty flavor, chickpeas stand tall with a roster of nutrients. 1. Protein. A vegetarian favorite, chickpeas pack about 14.5 grams of protein per cup, aiding muscle repair and growth. 2. Fiber. Offering around 12.5 grams per cup, they're fantastic for digestive health and satiety. 3. Vitamins. Folate. Essential for DNA synthesis and repair. Vitamin B6, supports brain health and mood regulation. 4. Minerals. Iron. Energizes your body by supporting blood cell formation. Magnesium. A vital player in muscle function and bone health. Phosphorus. Works with calcium to fortify bones and teeth. Zinc. Strengthens the immune system and aids in wound healing. The bean with benefits. 1. Blood sugar regulation. The high fiber and protein content ensures a steady rise in blood sugar, making chickpeas a diabetic-friendly food. 2. Heart health. Regular consumption can lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Weight management. The satiating nature of chickpeas can help curb unnecessary snacking, aiding in weight control. Navigating through concerns. Chickpeas are generally beneficial, but it's essential to be aware of potential hiccups. 1. Digestive disturbances. Due to their high fiber and raffinose content, overconsumption can lead to bloating or gas. 2. Anti-nutrients. Like many legumes, chickpeas contain phytates and lectins, which can affect nutrient absorption when consumed in large amounts. Daily dose. The chickpea routine. Visualize a diet adorned with chickpeas every day. While their regular inclusion can elevate fiber and protein intake, bolstering digestive and heart health, it's crucial to balance with a variety of foods to ensure comprehensive nutrition. Chickpea Chronicles. Fun facts. 1. The cultivation of chickpeas can be traced back over 7,500 years in the Middle East. 2. India is the world's largest producer and consumer of chickpeas. 3. Chickpeas have two main types, the creamy, round kabuli, common in canned products, and the smaller, darker desi. From the heart of Middle Eastern cuisines to the global stage, chickpeas have captured palates and fortified bodies. The next time you savor a spoonful of chickpea curry or dip into some hummus, relish not just the taste but the cascade of nutrients you're bestowing upon your body. And always remember, within this modest bean lies a universe of health wonders. Seedling stew.